Morning guys, this is how we do the PDI for the releasing or arrival. First, you need to check the battery. If the battery is okay.
May galing ko siya.
Wait 5 minutes because our device, our special tools is weather in detecting the voltage.
First, the positive and the negative.
Positive.
Color black.
Red is the positive.
Red is the positive. Black is the negative.
Negative. For now, we'll wait for at least 5 minutes rest.
This is the PDI form.
What can you say? Why?
It's okay. No scratches.
No scratches.
No.
Checking the scratches, the lights.
The light also good.
The lights, it's good. The function of the unit is good. The auto
11.
is 11. The roof function. The music and the dash cam. This is the inside of the car. Passenger seat. Lights. Ken.